Hi everyone. Many people get some ads about selling cheap products, from many websites, and some of them are asking if it is a scam or legit. And others made some purchases, and need to know, how can get their money back. So, I'm here to tell you, how to check this website, and refund your money. When a customer submits an order on one of the fraudulent sites, he will have one of the following results. 1. Nothing at all. In this case, the orders are not executed at all, and therefore the order will not reach the customer. 2. Counterfeit or poor products. The customer may receive products that do not conform to the specifications advertised on the site, that is, they are counterfeit or of poor quality. 3. Used, damaged, tampered with, or broken products. 4. Completely different products than what was ordered. Therefore, before starting the purchase process from any website, it is preferable for customers to do the following things to avoid falling into any fraudulent transactions. 1. Spelling and linguistic examination of the site link. Fraudulent sites sometimes use words similar to the original name of the product, or replace one of the letters. 2. Verify contact information within the site. The phone number and email must be available in order to communicate with customer service, as well as the address in the event of a request to return the product. 3. Look for the lock symbol to ensure that the site is secure so that your private data is not leaked. 4. Make sure that the price during the payment process matches the announced price. 5. Payment methods must be secure, such as bank cards or PayPal, and avoid using any bank transfers, gift cards, or cryptocurrencies. 6. The product image must be clear and complete, and in some cases the product name must be identical to what was displayed on the website. 7. Verify that the website is linked to social media pages in order to obtain a previous opinion and evaluation from a customer on the product and its suitability. 8. Search for previous reviews by adding scam or review to find customer complaints. 9. Checking the transparency of the website's registration and its stability. 10. Review the actual prices of the product in the case of luxury goods with highly discounted prices. 11. Virus scanning of the website to ensure that private data is not stolen and that dangerous viruses are not received on the computer or mobile phone. 12. Make sure that there are no automatic withdrawals of funds from your account by carefully reading the items below the product on the electronic payment page. If you are one of the victims of this scam, you must take immediate action to protect yourself and your money. Here are some steps you can take. 1. Contact your bank immediately about disputed charges and consider canceling your card to prevent further fraudulent purchases. 2. Keep receipts, emails, screenshots, and any details related to the transaction. This provides proof of the fraud. 3. File a scam complaint with the Federal Trade Commission, FTC, and the Internet Crime Complaint Center. Submit any relevant records. 4. Post details of the scam on customer review sites to warn others. You can leave a comment below this video, however, be careful not to tarnish the reputation of legitimate companies. 5. Report social media accounts associated with the scam that have promoted fake sites and products, for removal. 6. In case that you made an online payment by credit card, request a refund. For wire transfers, contact the receiving bank to be able to reverse it. 7. Request credit reports to check for any accounts that were opened fraudulently using your information. Consider a credit freeze if necessary. 8. Change passwords on any online accounts that use the same login credentials entered on the scam site. 9. Study how you were deceived so you can avoid other scams in the future. Don't forget to like and share this video with everyone you know. Leave a comment if you have a note to help others. Beware and thank you for watching.